Imagine looking into the night sky. Not with your eyes, not even with the Hubble telescope, but with an instrument powerful enough to see back almost to the beginning of time. The James Webb Space Telescope has done exactly that. And what it found are tiny red dots, so faint, so distant, and yet so mysterious that they could rewrite the story of the cosmos. These little red dots, discovered at the edge of time, have left astronomers stunned. What are they? Why are they so bright? And how could they exist when the universe was still in its infancy? To understand this mystery, we need to rewind. For over 3 decades, the Hubble Space Telescope was humanity's greatest window to the universe. Its deep-field images showed thousands of galaxies in what once looked like empty patches of sky. For the first time, we realized the universe was teeming with galaxies, hundreds of billions of them. But Hubble had limits. It couldn't see far into the infrared, and that meant it couldn't see the very first galaxies. The problem is cosmic redshift. As the universe expands, the light from distant galaxies stretches. It shifts from blue to red and eventually into infrared wavelengths invisible to the human eye. By the time light from the first galaxies reaches us, it has been stretched so much that Hubble simply cannot detect it. That's where James Webb comes in. With a golden mirror the size of a tennis court, cooled to near absolute zero, Webb can see the faint glow of galaxies whose light has been traveling for more than 13 billion years. Webb is not just a telescope. It's a time machine. When Webb turned its golden mirrors to the deep sky, astronomers expected to see tiny, irregular galaxies just beginning to take shape. But what they found was astonishing. Compact, bright points of light scattered across the cosmos. The little red dots. Spectroscopy revealed that these objects were among the most distant ever seen. We are looking at them as they were just 500 to 700 million years after the Big Bang. In cosmic terms, that's like seeing a photograph of a newborn baby, except this baby already looks like a teenager. Here's the problem. According to our standard models, galaxies take billions of years to form. Gas collapses, stars ignite, small clusters merge into larger structures. But the little red dots appear too massive, too bright, too developed. It's as if entire cities appeared overnight in a world where we expected only villages. One scientist said, "It's like walking into a kindergarten and finding full-grown adults at the desks. Something doesn't fit." One idea is that these aren't galaxies at all. They may be the blazing hearts of black holes devouring matter. As gas falls inward, it glows brighter than whole galaxies. If Webb is capturing these first black holes, it means they formed far earlier and grew far faster than we ever imagined. Another possibility, the dots are galaxies, but galaxies that grew with incredible speed. In the dense early universe, gas collapsed quickly, creating explosive bursts of star formation. A cosmic baby boom. If true, galaxies could mature in just a few 100 million years, rewriting our models of cosmic growth. Some astronomers think we may be seeing the first generation of stars, population 3 stars. These massive, brilliant stars contained no heavy elements, only hydrogen and helium from the Big Bang. They burned fast, lived short, and died young, seeding the universe with the elements for future stars and planets. If the little red dots are powered by these ancient giants, it could be the first evidence of a long-lost chapter in cosmic history. There are other ideas too. Perhaps some dots are illusions caused by gravitational lensing, where massive objects bend and magnify the light of distant galaxies. Or maybe Webb's data is revealing phenomena that defy our current understanding. A hint that dark matter or dark energy work differently than we think. Some even suggest the little red dots could be the first sign that our models of the universe are missing a fundamental piece. Why does this matter? Because every explanation challenges what we know. If they're black holes, we must explain their rapid birth. If they're galaxies, we must rethink cosmic evolution. If they're population 3 stars, we may finally witness the first sparks of starlight. And if it's new physics, then we may be standing at the edge of a scientific revolution. This isn't just about astronomy. It's about humanity's place in the cosmos. Because if our models of the universe are incomplete, then our story, the story of how everything came to be, is still being written. Think about this. The light from these objects left when the universe was less than 1 billion years old. It traveled for more than 13 billion years, only to be captured by a telescope built by humans on a small planet orbiting an ordinary star. The little red dots are not just mysteries. They are messages from the dawn of time. Cosmic time capsules whispering across eternity. Astronomers are now planning deeper surveys, longer exposures, and more detailed spectroscopy. Future telescopes, from the Roman Space Telescope to the European Extremely Large Telescope, will join the hunt. The answers may take years, but every observation brings us closer to solving the riddle. So what are the little red dots? Are they galaxies that grew against all odds? Are they black holes devouring matter in the cosmic dawn? Or are they hints of a deeper truth, one that forces us to rewrite the very laws of physics? For now, the mystery remains. But one thing is certain: the universe still holds secrets. And as we gaze deeper, we are only at the beginning of uncovering them. Because beyond the galaxies, beyond the stars, and beyond the limits of our imagination, the story of the universe is still being written. Share your thoughts below, because the discussion about the universe belongs to all of us. Please subscribe and check another video. Enjoy to Beyond 60s.